How to add background image to a PowerPoint slide. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will see how we can add background image to a PowerPoint slide. So without further delay, let's get started. So open up your PowerPoint presentation and head towards that slide where you want to add the background image. So once you are here, you have to click on this blank space anywhere on your slide. Right click on it. From this menu box, you have to click on Format Background. After that, navigate to your right hand side and you will see this menu bar with Format Background. Here you have to click or select the picture or texture fill and click on it. Now by default, this image will be added as your background. Now if you want to change that, you have to click on Insert. Click or choose from a file. Now from your device, you have to select the image that you want to add as background. For example, I have this image right here. After that, click on Insert. And there you go. Your preferred image has been set as the background image. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.